Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo games on an Xbox Series S. Directly playing Nintendo titles on your Xbox Series S is not officially supported by either Microsoft or Nintendo. However, many people explore emulation as a way to achieve this. We will go over the general concepts of emulation, the challenges you might face, and what you need to consider if you are thinking about this unofficial approach. Emulation is a fascinating technology where one computer system, like your Xbox, is made to behave like another, such as a Nintendo console. This is achieved through specialized software called an emulator. The emulator translates the instructions from the original game into something the Xbox can understand and execute. To play games, you also need digital copies of the games themselves, often referred to as ROMs, which are essentially the game data. While not officially endorsed, the Xbox Series S possesses the hardware capability to run emulators, primarily through its developer mode. Accessing this mode involves a one-time registration fee and a specific setup process to convert your retail console into a development kit. Once in developer mode, you can install various emulators. However, the performance of these emulators can vary significantly, especially for more demanding Nintendo systems like the Nintendo Switch or Wii U. Before proceeding, it is crucial to understand the important considerations. The legality of using emulators and game ROMs can be complex, often touching upon copyright laws. Furthermore, engaging in unofficial methods like developer mode might potentially void your console's warranty or introduce system instability. For the most reliable and legally sound experience, playing Nintendo games on their dedicated hardware, such as a Nintendo Switch or a Wii U, remains the recommended approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.